हाय गाइस, रुचिका दिस साइड फ्रॉम प्रेस्टो एस्टेट DLF फेज़ 1। आज आपके लिए घर लेके आई हूँ। घर नहीं लेके आई, महल लेके आई हूँ। वो है DLF फेज़ 1 में बहुत ही प्राइम ब्लॉक में ये लोकेटेड 504 स्क्वायर यार्ड का ये 7 स्टोरी डुप्लेक्स हाउस नहीं मैंशन। इतनी सारी खूबियाँ और इतने सारे पॉइंट्स है इस घर में कि आई कैन नॉट जस्ट डिस्क्राइब इट राइट नाउ। सो कम with me and I'll show you this gorgeous house. Mesmerized, don't be, because every step you're gonna take to this house, it's gonna take you to another level of heaven, another level of luxury. I am gonna show you right now. Just the entrance of the house, हमारा ground level पे. If I make you walk through, just see the amount of ceiling height they've used. Of course, it's not, you know, इसे कोठी नहीं कहते, इसे बंगला नहीं कहते, इसे mansion कहते हैं. And such a gorgeous one this house is. Let me take you in. Walking from our stairs to our ground floor. This is our ground floor, ground level. Huge, super spacious drawing area, your party hall, whatever you want to call it, guys. But this is the entire space located on this floor with a small bedroom here, with your powder room, a kitchen, a lift. That's it. Nothing else on this floor. So it's all yours. A little too difficult to describe this house. It's each and every amenities this house has. Okay, let's just walk with me and just feel this house, just feel this mansion I'm showing you as I am feeling. A gorgeous kitchen, fully loaded kitchen, not just one kitchen this house has, but 3 kitchen this house has. Extended kitchen for your separate cooking. Every floor has a pantry and a kitchen as well. Basement, upper ground, and this comes our first floor with your 3 big bedrooms. मतलब आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि मैं किसको मास्टर बेडरूम बोलूँ, किसको नहीं बोलूँ. Okay, this particular floor or first floor has 2 master bedrooms on each the side, 1 bedroom at the back and 1 leisure area at the behind. Come. किसी भी रूम की मैं कोई स्पेसिफिकेशंस नहीं बताऊंगी बिकॉज यू नो वर्ड्स आर फॉलिंग रियली शॉर्ट. हाउ टू डिस्क्राइब दिस हाउस, हाउ टू डिस्क्राइब इट्स ब्यूटी and how perfectly this house is made. So after this, here comes our gorgeous washroom with your double sink and your jacuzzi bath area, your WC seats. Okay, the best part of this house is they are fully loaded with so many cupboards, so many almirahs. Can you just imagine these n numbers of cupboards in your dressing room? Wow, this is stunning, and trust me, there's a lot more I need to show you. From bedroom 1 to bedroom 2, another gorgeous piece, beautiful one. Very spacious. Spacing की तो I think issue हो ही नहीं सकता. With your balcony in the front, amazing view of the house in the front. जो I think best part मुझे इस घर का लग रहा है ना, what amazing washrooms they have created. Bedrooms so definitely is a perk. But the washroom and the walk-in wardrobes they have created with amazing work that is commendable. So this is our dressing area. and another lovely washroom inside. First floor ka third bedroom, very spacious, just perfect for any bedroom. First floor के back area में आता है हमारा dining and our kitchen, another kitchen, and this is particularly a place they have created for your dining, because every time definitely you can't use such a big party space for your everyday needs. So this is your another fully equipped kitchen with your OTG oven and everything, and a dining space. Coming to the second floor of this gorgeous mansion, just your free space, your lounge area, your study area, whatever you want to convert it to, this space is there. Front में master bedroom है. It is par excellence, beyond your imagination, which I'm going to show you later on in the last. Let me take you to the back bedrooms of this house. 2 bedroom, beautiful one. This is your 1 bedroom. I think बहुत nature को importance दी गई है इस घर में. This white mansion with some pinks in it is like a perfect strawberry cake. You know, this is the USP of this house, the master bedroom. As I said, it's unbelievable. You know, this I'm sure you would have never seen, because I am myself witnessing such a gorgeous master bedroom for the first time. This is huge, this is extremely spacious, and you can just इमेजिन कि यार इस घर में रहने का और इस मास्टर बेडरूम को ओन करने की फीलिंग ही क्या होगी. विद योर balcony, with your amazing balcony in the front, which I'm going to show you later on. Let me take you to the unbeatable walk-in closet. Gorgeous one, such a huge one, extraordinary one. This is marvelous and this is amazing. You name it and you have it, everything in these wardrobes. जिसकी एक आई थिंक मुझे पर्टिकुलरली अलग से एक रील ज़रूर बनानी चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड. Come, let me take you to the master bedroom का super master washroom with your jacuzzi, your shower panel area and your double sink. Okay, ये है हमारा third bedroom, practically our 6th bedroom of the house. Walking down through it is our lot of cupboards on both the sides and a jacuzzi for here as well, with a gorgeous white and black washroom. As I said, every floor has a pantry of its own, because that is definitely a big necessity. When your house is as big as this, you need a pantry on all your floors. You know, like it's always incomplete without a terrace, but I think these days now, a house is incomplete without a huge and a super spacious and super utilizable basement. This is the basement of this mansion with your home theater, your steam, your sauna, your swimming pool, your toilet and a pantry and a super huge space inside and outside as well. So as you can see कि ये एक काफ़ी spacious area आपको मिलता है. Then again आपको यहाँ पे भी pantry मिलेगी. हर floor पे एक pantry है, as I've shown you. So this is the one. Coming from here, let me take you to the best part of this house, another best part of this house, a gorgeous home theater, a perfect home theater for your leisure. And coming to the back side of this basement, we have a super spacious, super huge swimming pool with this open area, open party area, open lawn area you have. And then of course, it doesn't end here. You have a steam and a sauna and amazing washroom, your steam area, wash basins, your WC, your shower panel area and your sauna room. Last but not the least, coming to an end of this gorgeous mansion I just showed you around. So this is the terrace, comes with your bar counter area, your gym area, your kitchen, toilet, a beautifully done up terrace yet again, showroom. So lots and lots in just this building. Summing up this gorgeous mansion in few words, no, it cannot be in few words, because it's a huge one, it's an awesome one, it's an ultra luxurious one. 504 square yard में DLF phase 1 की prime location पे ये जन्नत जैसा घर है. 7 bedrooms, 7 story with basement, your upper ground, 3 floors, your terrace, fully loaded terrace, swimming pool, home theater, steam, sauna, gym, your personal car parking area, servant room. What else you need, guys? So please come visit this one, and we don't have something like this in store for you. So you should come and visit this dream house of many. 7424001000 is the number. You can connect them and we'll be happy to help you find your dream house. Till we meet in our next house, signing off for now.
Yeah.